Today I'm going to show you how to record a vehicle purchase in QuickBooks Online. A vehicle should usually be recorded as a fixed asset because it is a long-term business asset. First, sign in to QuickBooks Online and open the correct company file. Click the gear icon in the top right corner. Then select Chart of Accounts. On the Chart of Accounts page, click New. Now create a new account for the vehicle. For the account name, enter something clear like delivery van, company truck, or pickup truck. For the account type, choose Fixed Assets. For the detail type, choose Vehicles. Next, enter the original cost of the vehicle. This should include the purchase price, sales tax, and purchase fees. Do not include regular operating costs like insurance, fuel, repairs, or maintenance. If the vehicle was financed, still enter the full purchase price as the asset cost. Once everything looks correct, click Save. QuickBooks will now add the vehicle as a fixed asset in your chart of accounts, so it appears properly on your balance sheet. And that's how to record a vehicle purchase in QuickBooks Online in 2026.